is Lilian. I'm from Taiwan and I just graduated from a Peaches Culinary Art Program master class this year. And today I'm presenting a recipe from the menu of GANZO School Restaurant. Today I'm preparing the Pan-seared Camembert with the seasonal vegetables. The Camembert cheese, and then the pear, cashew nuts, cherry tomato, the asparagus vegetables, homemade pickle. Okay, so first we turn on the heat and we put a little bit of oil and then wait until the pan is hot. We use very high heat to sear the cheese. So here we sear the first side and then we sear the other side. Now the cheese have been seared both sides and we will finish in the oven. So now we're gonna grill the vegetables. Okay, now the vegetables have been grilled for like 5 minutes, maximum heat. So now it's ready. And now we set aside. So now we're gonna grill the asparagus on the grill. We put some oil and then set on the grill. Little bit of oil. So now the cherry tomato have been seared and seasoned with salt. And then next, we are going to caramelize the pear with some sugar. And then with the non-stick pan, high heat. Here have been seared all the side with the sugar to have the caramelization. With all the colors to have the crispiness outside. In the meantime, we will cook the pear inside to have softness. Now I'm gonna toast the cashew nuts. Now they are with color like the golden brown. We put a little bit of oil. And now we set aside. Okay, so now we're gonna start the plating. First, the Camembert cheese have been roasted in the oven. We plate the roasted vegetables top and then the caramelized pear. We have the cherry tomato that's been seared in the pan. And then the grilled asparagus. Pickles, pickled radish. Toasted cashew nuts. And at the end, we finish with some olive oil and we put a little bit of microgreen to have some freshness. Here you have Camembert cheese. Enjoy! Thanks for watching!